servicing the Lasko oscillating fan. Gonna get some paper towels and get that grease out of there. There's no good place to put this, so I'm gonna use the GE Super Radio. Here's the inside of the gearbox. I lost the bearing. There's supposed to be another one. Huh. Where the hell did it go? Cleanup is underway. There's a gear right there. It's also metal, which is nice. I gotta get all the grease out of there before I put new grease in it. If you go back to the video of that JVC CRT TV I saved off the side of the road down there, hear the song in the background in one of the clips. It's as good as it's gonna get. It's not a restoration. I like looking back at my own videos. That's why I do them, kind of. I just like to document things, show what I'm doing and everything. And I got the Q-tips, so let me clean up a little bit. It makes these screws way too tight, so I use this long-ass screwdriver for better leverage. And it seems to do the job, which is nice. Here's the filth and the oil wick. I should probably order another one to put in there, a felt oil wick you can buy from McMaster Car or Granger, I think, one of the two. And there's the filth. So let's blow that off. Much better. We could clean the shaft better. We could clean this part better. And I could put my hand on the soldering iron and burn the hell out of myself. Hey, the other bearing just randomly appeared right there. What the hell? It's so weird. I don't think I could take that gear out. See how worn the washer is. Thrust washer, is that what it's called? So I'll probably just flip that one around. Here's more of the dirtiness. White balance is a bit off. Sorry about that. Oh, and if you're wondering what oil I use, zoom spout oil. Too bad the zoom spout is gone. I can't oil the front bearing in here. I don't want to take the blade off because I'm afraid of breaking something. It won't come off. I thought about letting that soak in there, but I ran out of patience. What the fuck?
It's 7 o'clock in Texas country.
Got this thing back in without the bearings flying away. Wish that the new washers were wide as these. Speaking of good metal parts like that, this is the good one. The good one where it has the tabs right there. And they lock into that part, which is smart. Doesn't 100% rely on friction fit from the nut, wherever the hell it went. Oh, right there, I was just looking at it. So yeah, that's the best design in my opinion. It cheapened out, and sometimes they wouldn't be bent over like that. Sometimes they wouldn't be there at all, which is kind of crappy. That's a good one. Remember watching the music video several times on this TV, that LXI. I think a lot about that set, probably just because it's come up a lot. Speaking of that, my Samsung Dynaflat showed up for sale for $80. Hasn't even been a year that guy owned it. It sold quick too, so that's good. Blade is back on. Just about done. I even dusted it off too. Okay, we're back together. Let's not get a content ID match. Start on high, why not? Now it's up to speed. It took a little bit. Huh. Medium. So this is the last estate sale fan that I got. I think it was earlier this summer. The one I got after this. I mean, the one I got after the one I got this was at SMC. Huh. It's kind of quiet. Maybe I damaged the capacitor. Hope not. Anyway, when it's done spinning down, I'll put the old time and the new time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, double F spools off. Could have said that a little smoother, but oh well. Plus, I don't say that. Huh, that's kind of crappy, so guess we'll let it run for a while. Alright, there's the time. We'll check back later for the spin down time. Okay, it's been a while. Let's do the spin down time thing again. I can tell it's better already. Good. Not bad. Huh, seems to be back to normal. was like extra quiet.